Hi guys, welcome to the Golden S9 channel. Be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys got post notifications turned on so you guys know every time I post. Golden S9 welcomes you to the family. Now let's get right into the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing something special. I know y'all been seeing the Olympics. I know y'all been seeing these dancers. I'm going to be teaching y'all the beginners of breakdancing. Right here in my house, I'm gonna be teaching y'all. So first things first is make sure you guys got water, make sure you guys stretch, make sure you guys are loose, wearing loose clothes, comfortable clothes so you guys don't over accentuate yourself. This is gonna be just a basic beginners breaking class. There's tons of other people that teach breakdancing, hip hop, you got TikTok, you got all these other places, but I want y'all to focus on how I teach it, how I was taught. So we gonna get down to it. I'm gonna put my camera in the back so y'all can see me. This is gonna be the first tutorial. We're gonna start with something that's called top rock. I know y'all seen it before. I'm gonna show you guys the basic steps. I may pronounce some of the names wrong, but I'm gonna just do it how I remember it. So, all right. So we gonna do it without music first, or no, I'm gonna do it with music first, and then I'm gonna show y'all without music, okay? Cool. So I'm gonna set my camera up right here. I'm gonna step back a little bit. Actually. What's good, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It means the world to me from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate y'all. Much love. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Smash the like, you know that. But anyway, we're going to be going over the basic top rock, B-girl, B-boys, breaks on the beat. You already know what's going down. Your boy Golden S9. I do apologize in advance before y'all say anything and come for me in the comments. My head did get cut off in the video, but that's okay. The thing I want you guys to focus on is my arms and my feet. That's what I want you guys to focus on. I don't care about my head in the video. Just focus on my arms and my feet. And let's get right back into the video. Here. Because I want you guys to focus on my feet so you can see exactly how I'm stepping. All right? So, make sure you loose. Make sure everything's, and let's get it popping. I'm going to play a track. And then we going to see. And I'm gonna just show y'all. So this rock, it's just a basic top rock. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, and then I'm gonna break it down. So that's your basic, it's like a kick step. we're gonna call it the kick step, all right? So first things first is whenever you do the kick step, I know you've seen this move before. So first foot, your left foot here, you're gonna pick that foot up, step down, kick out, okay? Right foot, same thing. Step over the left, step down, kick out. Boom, right? So without music, it's like kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step, kick, step. Now the trick, guys, the trick to that top rock is it's like you step, but you kind of bounce. Like, like on a trampoline, when you bounce on a trampoline like this, think of that, but like bounce, 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 bounce. So that is what's giving that effect of like that attitude, you know what I'm saying? All right, so that's the kick step, right? Another one you can do in top rocking is called, the name of it, it's kind of like a sway, okay? It's kind of like hot. So I'm gonna show you with music. So I always tell people with top rock, it's all about your upper body, your hips, and how you throw your body into it. So if you notice, when I step, I swing my hips out and I cross with the right leg over the left and I come back. So the left leg comes over the right, same thing this way, you come back. Then you can kind of add like a little bounce in there. So like here, bounce, step here, bounce, here, bounce, here, bounce. See what I'm saying? So as long as you're doing that bounce, you top rocking. You got that rock, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you step in that bounce. So we did. So this is what we got so far. We got this kick step. We got the kick step rock. We got the front. Boom, 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 boom. So that's what we got so far. So let's put those two moves. I'm gonna back up so y'all can see my face. Let's put those two moves together with the beat. So we got those two. We got our kick step and we got our kick out top rock step. Kick out. So we did this, kick, step. Remember, step over that foot, kick, step. And then remember this one, you step out with your legs, coming back in, step out with your legs, coming back in. Now, we're gonna do something a little more advanced in top rock. There's all kind of different rocks out there. You got the salsa rock. Actually, we can do salsa. It's similar, it's kind of similar. Actually, no. We're gonna do what's called one of my favorite top rocks, y'all. This is one of my favorite top rocks. This is called the Indian step. And you're gonna see why. You're gonna see why. I'm gonna show you with the music. Then, of course, I'm gonna break it down step by step so that y'all can do it with me and y'all can learn top rock. Before we even get to the groundwork, we gonna just work on top rocking. So let's try it with the beat. That one usually tires me out. So some of y'all watching, y'all like, how the heck do we do that? I'm gonna show you. Okay. So the Indian step, you just gotta take it from the top, all right? So it's kind of like, okay, so you're really gonna be stepping on your left foot, and then remember how we crossed earlier? So you want to swing the right foot over the left. So first things first, get comfortable with doing this. Get comfortable with doing that. So your left foot's here first. Your right foot is coming over where the left just was. So take your right foot and step exactly where the left foot is. So you're gonna lift that right foot up, kick, and then kick back up, boom. Get that part down first. Don't worry if you don't get it right away, because that step can take you a little bit. That's all right. So I'm gonna try to break it down into little pieces so that it looks easy and y'all can pick it up. All right? So left foot here, right foot's coming in, boom. Come back out, boom, okay? Now we're getting ready to go onto this side. So you're stepping with that right here, and the left foot is swinging up, boom. So then you're coming back around, boom, boom. Now I'm gonna try to piece that so y'all can see. So left, right, kick, right, left, kick, boom, boom. Again, right, kick, boom, boom, kick, left, right, kick, right, left, kick, left, right, kick, 1, 2, kick, left, right, kick, boom, boom, kick. That's the Indian step. So it's really just getting comfortable with switching those feet. So now we're gonna put all three of those combos together. So remember in the beginning we did this. Well, that's the salsa. This is the salsa rock. Okay? Then we did the out step. Right? And then we did the Indian step. And then you always finish with some kind of dope pose. B-girls or B-boys, whatever you go by. Let's put this all together and let's finish this up. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this tutorial. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I am officially sweating. And there you have it. So we're gonna go over Top Rock next time I see you guys. Be sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.